How do you experience life? By taking care of your family? By taking the time to do the things you want, like sending your kids to college or retiring at an age when you can enjoy it? Life insurance can help you do all of these things and more. After all, that's why it's called life insurance. Many people buy a life insurance policy to provide protection to their loved ones using the death benefit after they're gone. But what many people don't know is that a life insurance policy can also help provide living benefits while they're still living, and living specifically with a chronic, critical, or terminal illness. Living benefits, also known as accelerated benefit riders, may enable a policy owner to access the death benefit in their policy if they're stricken with a chronic, critical, or terminal illness. Living benefits can often be added to a life insurance policy at no additional cost and could potentially make a world of difference in the way you and your family experience life through this difficult time.
Hi, I'm Caroline Buswell from the Claims Department, and I would like to just relay some stories that I have regarding claims that we've received on accelerated benefits and how I think they've benefited our policyholders. Regarding a 38-year-old lady who had gone into childbirth, and when she was in labor, unfortunately went into cardiac arrest. She was on the table for over 30 minutes with them trying to revive her. And the family came back and just were so happy to have had this policy. The husband actually, from what I understand, didn't even want to take the policy out, but his wife convinced him. This was the fourth child. They really could use the death benefit, and lo and behold, the living benefit was there for them. They also only accelerated a portion of the policy just to help them through this tough time while she was in the hospital, to find someone to help care for the children while she was recuperating. It's just heartwarming to hear those types of stories and know that you're of benefit to our policyholders. I mean, I have a life insurance policy myself here at National Life, and I have the ABR riders. I hope I never have to use them, and I'm really happy that they're there and will be there if I should need them at some time in the future.
I'm Carolyn Kittredge, a senior claims examiner. I had a 30-year-old gentleman with a malignant brain tumor. He was in his mid-30s, had a wife and several small children. He used his benefits to prepare his family for when his time came. He wanted to make sure his funeral was arranged and prepaid. He wanted to make sure his mortgage was paid so that when the time came, his wife could deal with the children and their future. I received a call from a 60-year-old gentleman who had applied for terminal illness benefits. He had just come from his physician's office, and he said to me, "Carolyn, the doctor told me this was going to be my last Christmas with my family." I couldn't believe he was calling me, of all people. He was hoping that I could help him accelerate that benefit so that he could make this the best Christmas ever for his family. Here he was in this state, and he had the foresight to think of his family and his short future with them. You know, it just brings it all home. It's real. These people are real. It could be me, it could be you. It's life, and life happens. And those living benefits really help when someone is in such dire straits.
Unexpected medical issues can take a tremendous financial, physical, and emotional toll, not only on you, but also on those who might have to care for you. Are you prepared for that? Did you know 62.1% of all bankruptcies have a medical cause? Policy owners have accessed living benefits for income replacement, home modifications for wheelchair accessibility, and experimental treatments not available in the United States. They've used living benefits to replace lost income while they fight cancer or for medical care not covered by health insurance. Are you prepared right now to handle an event like this in your life? Living benefits are optional riders to your life insurance policy, not disability insurance. Be aware of the fact that your death benefit will be reduced if you choose to access the living benefits within your life insurance policy. Talk to your life insurance agent to learn more about the details of living benefits and how they can help you experience life today and tomorrow.